A bad stabilizer link, also known as a sway bar link or drop link, can cause clunking or rattling noises, especially when driving over bumps or uneven surfaces, and may lead to reduced handling stability. Excessive body roll during turns can also be a symptom. Elaboration, noises. The most common indication of a bad stabilizer link is a clunking or rattling sound, particularly when driving over bumps or uneven roads. These noises are often described as thunking, knocking, or banging. Reduced handling. A faulty stabilizer link can reduce the vehicle's handling performance, making it feel less stable and responsive. You might notice increased body roll during turns. Tire wear. Bad sway bar links can contribute to uneven tire, whereas the car's weight shifts unevenly when turning. Cause. These links connect the stabilizer bar to the suspension, helping to reduce body roll and improve stability when they wear out or break. The sway bar can move excessively, causing the noises and handling issues. Replacing a stabilizer bar link, also known as a sway bar link, is a relatively simple car repair that can be done by most people with basic mechanical skills. The process involves raising the vehicle, locating the link, removing the old link, and installing the new one. You'll need tools like a wrench, socket, and possibly a jack. Before starting, inspect the surrounding suspension components for any damage or wear. Tools and materials. Jack and jack stands for safely raising the vehicle. Wrench socket set for loosening and tightening bolts and nuts. Replacement sway bar link. Make sure it's the correct one for your vehicle. Gloves for protection. Penetrant if the nuts are rusted. Wool chocks for safety. Safety glasses for eye protection. Steps. 1. Raise the vehicle and securely support it. Use a jack and jack stand to lift the vehicle, ensuring it's stable and secure. Chock the wheels on the opposite side for extra safety. 2. Locate the sway bar link. It connects the sway bar to the suspension component, usually near the front or rear wheels. 3. Remove the old link. Loosen the nuts. Use a wrench or a socket to loosen the nuts on the link, being careful not to round them off. Remove the link. Carefully remove the old link. It may be tight. 4. Install the new link. Align the new link. Position the new link in place, matching the old one. Tighten the nuts. Tighten the nuts to the manufacturer's specifications. 5. Lower the vehicle. Carefully lower the vehicle, ensuring it's stable. 6. Test the link. Take the vehicle for a short test drive, checking for clunking or rattling noises or handling issues. Tips for success. Safety first. Always use jack stands and chock the wheels. Use penetration oil. If the nuts are rusted, use a penetration oil to help loosen them. If this video helps, please consider subscribing, like, and share so we can grow this channel and help more people. Thank you and God bless.